Introducing the DP-6511-JK, a new replacement dashboard paint solution that fits the 2011 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK series. Installing an aftermarket radio can upgrade the sound quality and provide additional features that the original factory radio cannot offer, but it requires this dash panel to make it fit. The replacement panel allows you to upgrade your radio without complex or labor-intensive custom fabrication. It is textured to match the original look and feel of the vehicle's dashboard. The factory dash opening is not tall enough for most modern doubled-in radios, giving the radio a recessed look. The DP-6511-JK is the solution. Full dash panel is designed to replace the factory dash panel and allow for the installation of a standard 4-inch tall aftermarket radio or ISO single-DIN radio provision with pocket 88-00-9004 sold separately. No custom fabrication work is required. Made from the highest quality ABS plastic for an original factory-like fit and finish. Textured to match the factory finish. Includes brackets and hardware parts needed with detailed installation instructions. If you would like to see the full installation video, click the link on the description below. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterfaces.com for antenna adapters, audio, video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other products like this one, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.